Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Asma Lukman, Assistant Professor, Clinical Oncology at Tishta Medical University, Multan. Today, I have the privilege of presenting the data from our center about the triple-negative breast cancer patients seen during January 2015 to December 2019. During this period, total of 1934 patients were seen, and a yearly breakup, it comes about 30 patients in 2015, 34 in 2016, 51 in 2017, 74 in 2018, and 48 patients. That makes up 238 of the total patients seen during the last 5 years, and it makes about 12.2% of all the cases seen during the last 5 years. Regarding age groups, I've segregated into 4 age groups, and 120 patients were seen during falling into the from 36 to 50 years age group, and it makes about 50% of the cases. Then regarding tumor size, majority of the cases they presented with 86% of the cases they presented with locally advanced breast cancer, and only 14% of the patients were seen with the early stage disease. Nodal disease is seen 48.7% of the cases presented with N2 disease, and 41% of the cases they present with N1 disease. So 94% of the cases they presented with node positive disease. According to AJCC, similarly, we can see that 80 due to this stage 3 disease patients are about 63% in 3A, 18.9% in 3B, and 3.8% in 3C disease. Regarding the grade of the tumor, 67.2% of the cases had grade 3 tumor, and 32.8% had grade 2 tumor. 80.7% they received the neoadjuvant chemotherapy, of which 33.2% they received the neoadjuvant chemotherapy with FAC, and 41.2% received the neoadjuvant chemotherapy with AC. Grade 3-4 hematological toxicity was seen only in 25.6% of the cases, and grade 3-4 non-hematological toxicity was seen in about 80% of the cases, with the patients suffering from skin pigmentations, alopecias, and 80% of the cases they showed the response to the neoadjuvant chemotherapy. And CT scan was used to assess the response of the to the neoadjuvant chemotherapy, and about 190 patients they underwent the CT scan for getting the for assessing the response to the neoadjuvant chemotherapy. Then regarding the types of the surgery, 73.9% they underwent MRM, and only 23% cases they underwent the breast conservation surgery. And as I've already told that the response to the neoadjuvant chemotherapy was seen, and this is the table showing the pathological T stage, then pathological N stage, and final CR. None of the patients only 1.3% was seen with no disease, and remaining they had some sort of disease with a reduction in the tumor burden. And 93% of the cases they received the adjuvant chemotherapy. In case of adjuvant chemotherapy, 53% cases patients they received chemotherapy with Pecli-Carbo, and 29% with Gemcis. And similarly, in this case, grade 3-4 hematological toxicity was observed in 39.5% of the cases, and non-hematological toxicity was observed in 85.7% of the cases. And local regional radiation therapy was delivered to 73.4% of the cases. That makes in 175 of the total number of 238 patients. 69.3% of the patients, they received the dose of 50 gray, as we have only cobalt 60, and no bolus. They received the dose of 50 gray. That makes up to 165 patients, they received the local regional radiation therapy. Relapse and METs were seen in 70% of the cases. That makes 167. And disease-free survival, which was seen in 42.9% of the cases. And regarding the site of METs.
1 minute left, ma'am.
Okay, was clear to completion. Commonest site of MET was bone, with 70% of the patients suffering bone METs, 50 patients suffering from lung METs, 39 patients from liver METs, and 26% of the patients, they developed the brain METs during the course of the disease. And second line chemotherapy was received by 97% of the patients. (53.4% of the patients, they had stable disease, and 40.3% of the cases had progressive disease. Regarding the final status, 94 patients are alive. 56 patients are alive. 94 patients are alive with the disease, and 82 patients have died during the last 5 years. And death due to disease is seen in 31.9 cases. And that makes 76% of 76 patients, they died of the disease, and 6 patients, they died of other causes. Progression time, 10% had 10 patients had progression within less than 1 year, 40 patients had progression from 1 to 2 years, and 76 patients had progression from 2 to 3 years. So they had 2 to 3 years of disease-free survival. Thank you.